Consulting. Enthusiasts providing tech reviews for smarter homes.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing fine, and we are back with another tech review. So the next product that we have for you is something that is a solution that to a problem that we face every day, and especially for those who have two PCs, two laptops, and you are using monitors. So you want to every day there is a need to shuffle cables, because so in my case, like, I have a one business PC and then one personal laptop, so I have to, and I'm using two desktop screens, so every day I have to shuffle cables. So as a solution, we thought of buying and reviewing a product which is called a KVM switch. So this one is a KVM switch from Ugreen, and this offers the dual monitor KVM switch with two inputs and two outputs. So what it means is I can connect two laptops in parallel and connect both the monitors, all the data, and there is no need to shuffle cables, to change cables, and it's just a simple switch. I use the switch. There's a remote as well with this, and then it simply toggles between the two laptops, so no need to unwind, rewind cables anymore. So what it really has, a quick glimpse of what it offers. This has two dual mirrored extended displays, which I already told, three USB A's, one USB C. There is a selector mode, or you can also call it as a desktop remote. It supports 4K 60 Hz. That means it is backward compatible with all your HD needs. So this is more than enough and good to go. Let's see what is inside the box. And so if you see, this is the KVM switch. I will quickly open it. So this is where you see it has, so this says PC2 input, PC1 input, two HDMI cable goes in here, and the remaining goes to the screen as well, and then two HDMI from the PC here. This is your output. So that means these output are going towards your desktop screens, and this is coming in from your PC. There are data as well if you want to use specific data sets that you want to use with your PCs, respective PCs, or else there are data here as well. This is the control that I was talking about, that this will be the remote. So you don't really need to, so there is a switch here as well, but you don't really need to use the switch, you can use the control as well. So this is the 5 Gbps C type. This is again the same speed and bandwidth, three USB ports. Now you connect this once, and automatically this will switch with the PC. So that means what we are going to use is I'm using a Logitech's MX Ergo mouse and a Logitech keyboard. Both of these are supported with the unifying receiver. So I'll be connecting the unifying receiver here. This one goes probably to my desktop webcam, and this one will be going to my speaker that I use for calls, which is the Jabra 750 speaker. So let's see, let's do some wiring over here, and let's see how it performs. Apart from this, there is another box here. Let's see what is inside this box. All right, there are a couple of cables that comes in with this box as well. Oh, let's set this aside. And there is the user manuals. We'll see if we need this, or we'll try to just use our intelligence to really so as I said, this is HDMI, and I'm assuming these all four are HDMI as well. So yes, so these four will be HDMI. I'll unpack it. So we've got four HDMIs in this. Yep, so we've got four HDMI cables. What is in this? I'm just looking for the control. Yeah, this is the control switch. Exactly. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. This goes to the control plug-in, and then you just plug in the control, and this is the switch where you can switch between your PCs. And then what's this? This should be the power adapter. Yes, this is the power adapter. this is the power adapter. There is something else in this. Okay, these are the universal plugs if you want to use the European one, or if you want to use the, I think this is the Asia one. It comes with these adapters as well. And then let's see what is inside this. This is a USB cable, so they are supplying with USB. And let's see this one as well. I believe this should also be, yeah, the two USBs, 4 HDMI power cable, and the switch. I'm surprised to see there is no C type in this, though they offer a C type port. They should have given a C type cable as well. So let's plug this in and let's see how it performs, and let's see how fast the switching really is. Let's see how fast they switch data. All right, so yeah, you see it looks kind of a little messy, but I've connected all the cables. The power cable is right here. These two cables are towards coming from the monitor, and these four cables are the data cables to the PCs. So the restriction I had was that the Dell PCs only support one HDMI port. So I'm using these cables which are C to HDMI, so that I can connect two monitors. And now these are my three data. One is the unifying receiver from Logitech. This one is the for the Jabra speaker, and the third cable, where is it? Yeah, this cable is for the webcam. So let me do all the connections. All right, we have made all the connections. In order for the data to work, which you see is connected right here. This is the webcam, this is the speaker, this is the keyboard and mouse receiver. You have to connect these data cables that came in with the KVM switch to the individual laptops. And you see those are my two laptops down there. So now I have connected these to the individual laptops. This is my first laptop. You see my mouse is working, my keyboard is working, and I have also connected the remote. If I just press the remote, it will switch to the second laptop, and you see this is now switched to the second laptop. My mouse is working well, my keyboard is working well, and it has just detected the speaker as well. So everything is perfectly in order, and I really like the way this switch toggles. It merely takes maybe 5 seconds, not even 5 seconds, maybe a couple of seconds, and then it toggles to the different laptop. So pretty nice, pretty handy. I'll have to figure out a way to settle this out, because I'll have to store it under the table or somewhere, because too many cables, it looks messy. But I think we can clean it up if these cables are sorted properly and stored at one place, because we have the remote. We will not really need the switch until the time you need to change some cables or add any data, USPS, so to the switch or to your laptops. So I hope this was helpful, and in case you have any questions, do let me know. So this, I will use it for a while, and if there are any changes, I'll keep you guys posted on that. And if you have any questions further on this, do write in the comments. And yeah, I think I'm pretty satisfied with this, the Ugreen KVM switch. So thanks for watching, guys, and do subscribe to our channel.